Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer shake and bake pork chops. Let's begin. We have here some boneless pork chops and it's close to 2 pounds. Let's open it up. Each pork chop is on 1 inch to 1.25 inches thick, and now let's season the pork chops. First we're going to season it with some salt. Lightly sprinkle some salt on the pork chops. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder, some smoked paprika, and lastly some crushed rosemary. Flip the pork chops over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. Looking good. Next we'll need some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. And we're going to pour some in a bowl. There we go. We're going to take the Grey Poupon mustard and spread it onto the pork chops. Just brush it on. Looking good. We're going to turn it over and spread it on the other side. Looking good. Make sure to brush some of the Dijon mustard on the sides of the pork chops. We have here some shake and bake original pork coating mix. It comes with 2 pouches. And we're just going to be using one of them. Since it doesn't come with a bag, we're just going to pour it into a bowl. For the shake and bake original pork coating mix, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We'll be adding around 1/4 cup. There we go, that's 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Just going to stir it up. Okay, the Parmesan cheese is nicely mixed in. We're going to put that to the side. We're going to take the pork chops and dip it into the coating mix. Make sure to get the sides as well. There we go, that's one. Okay, looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees for a total time of 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. And now let's put in the pork chops. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. And now let's flip it over. Okay, we flipped it all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 145 degrees and we're set. We're going to check another one. And we're good. Next we're going to take some chopped up green onions and sprinkle it on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, shake and bake pork chops. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one out real quick. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.